I've been a personal injury lawyer for 40 years now, and all my cases actually have been really interesting, each in their own way. Let me tell you about a couple of these cases. Recently, a woman came to us and explained that she was a passenger in a vehicle that was operated by her daughter. And in this vehicle, there were a number of her grandchildren. Unfortunately, the daughter caused an accident when she tried to enter an on-ramp on a highway. And we made a claim on her behalf against her daughter's insurance company, and the insurance carrier initially made a very low offer and then would not reasonably negotiate, and they took the position that they doubted that the mother would actually file a lawsuit against her daughter. So what we did was we drafted a complaint, had our client, the mother, sign the complaint and send it to the insurance carrier and said, look, if you don't pay the entire limits of this case within the next 10 days, we're going to file this complaint. Well, a day and a half later, we got a fax from the insurance company offering their entire limits. One of my most memorable cases was a client's family that called and said that their daughter had been involved in a fatal accident as a passenger in a motor vehicle with some other young adults. Well, we obtained the police accident report, and it turned out that their daughter, who died in this accident, actually was the driver of the motor vehicle and had caused the accident. Generally, and most often, you can't make a claim on behalf of the negligent driver. But we looked into this further, and what we discovered was that the owner of the vehicle, who was also in the car, stopped at a beer distributor and bought liquor and gave it to this underage woman. And as they went down the road, the woman got more inebriated and finally said to the driver, the owner of the car, I can do a better job than you can of driving this vehicle. And the driver pulled over, stopped, and let her get behind the wheel. And that's what caused this accident. She was in a drunken condition caused by the owner of the vehicle, and we were successful in making a claim on behalf of this family for her death arising out of this event. So what it shows me, and what it always tells me, is you must look further beyond the obvious in order to fully analyze these types of cases.